Welcome to day number 14 of 100 Days of Skill and Certification, a review program I do to talk about the last 100 certifications I've received by studying online. And today we are looking at a beautiful certificate obtained from the Great Learning Platform, where I was taught about Google Analytics. Now, Google Analytics has to do with the assessment of your website's performance in terms of traffic, in terms of other activities that are performed by your website visitors, and how that can impact your business and make your processes much better. So this course goes into details on that, and I highly recommend it for everyone. Anybody can learn Google Analytics. You will learn so much, and you'll be able to improve your website and your business performance from the knowledge you will get that will be provided for you by this course. So do well to check out the description of the video and get all the details you need from there. Do well to follow me and subscribe so that you can stay up to date with all the other reviews I'll be doing for the different certifications I have obtained. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.